how to enable slow mode on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, head over to Discord, open up Discord application onto your device and basically head over to your server. So in your left side, you will be finding all of the servers that you're joined to. So head over to one of the servers, and from there, once you are headed over, you need to head over to one of the text channels. So for example, general. From the text channels, you will be reaching over here. So look for the option, the channel's name at the very top. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once tapped on it here, it will show you different options. Look for the option of settings of the server. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you are here on the channel settings, you may scroll down from the given options and we have this option of slow mode cooldown. So in order to turn it on, you can just go ahead and look out for this option. So you can use this scroller right here. You can make it to up to 6 hours to 0 seconds. So you can just go ahead and look out for this. So in order to turn it on, you just need to pull it like this straight. Even if it's 1 second or 5 seconds, it will be turned on. So this is it. You may follow the same process. You may save the changes by clicking on save at the top right corner, and that's it. So that is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.